Come to the in front of me NOKIA T20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we get the two ways how we can do that. So first we should go into the settings and then here tap on the display settings. Here just tap to the advanced options and you will see the wallpaper section. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got our device wallpapers, and also if we get some photos taken on just previously on your device, or also for example downloaded from internet, you can choose them. But we got here the two wallpapers, default wallpapers on our device, so we'll go here for example to this wallpaper, and now just here on the down right corner tap to OK, and we want to change the lock screen. And as can you see here we got the message that this wallpaper set successfully to our lock screen, and now we'll check. Yes, as can you see we just do it by a few clicks. And also we can make it by the second way. You just should hold for a while one from your screens with a finger, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Just tap there, and by the same way you can just select one from these wallpapers. For example, we'll go with the first one. You can just here select the position of this wallpaper, and now if we want to just set, tap here onto set wallpaper. Okay, again. Yeah, so tap here to set, and we want to set it to the lock screen, and now we'll just check that. So as can you see, that's really simple, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.